Thank you once again, Torch Tribe, for joining us for another edition of Morning Cup of Courage. I'm John here, 300 Torches Media, and if this is your first time on the channel, we thank you. We welcome you to the channel. We hope it encourages you. We hope it blesses you as well. Morning Cup of Courage, just a little shot, a little dose of espresso courage to get us through the day's challenges. So once again, thank you and welcome. All right, we're going through the Psalms together. Today, Psalm 14. Now, Psalm 14, a very famous line in it. You may have heard of it many times in your life. The fool said in his heart, there is no God. So Torch Tribe, what the Father is revealing to me in that is that when I have a negative thought, when I have a wicked thought, when I have wicked words, when I have wicked actions, they are revealing a heart condition that essentially is saying that I don't believe in you, Father. And essentially, I'm that particular fool. All right. Now, thankfully, at the end of Psalm 14, we see redemption. We see salvation, restoration of Israel in Zion. All right. And so this is a messianic prophecy in a sense. So therein lies our hope, Torch Tribe, that there is redemption in Zion, in salvation. Yeshua is that salvation in the Messiah. All right. So I'm not trying to give myself a pass here when I sin. Of course, I'm not going to do that, right? When I have a negative thought, a wicked action, a wicked deed, a wicked word for somebody, I have to remind myself, no, that's what fools do. That's what people who don't believe in our Heavenly Father do. And I have to remind myself of that eternal hope that lies in Zion. Our eternal hope is in Him. So Torch Tribe, I hope that encourages you. I hope it blesses you, that serves as something of a motivation, that our eternal hope is in Zion. Our eternal hope is in the salvation of the Messiah. And because of that, we will not act like a fool. We won't think like a fool. And we certainly won't talk like a fool. So Torch Tribe, again, I hope that encourages you. I hope you're blessed. And you guys just leave some suggestions, some comments below about what Psalm 14 has been, what the Father is revealing to you in Psalm 14. All right, Torch Tribe, so that's it for Psalm 14. I hope you guys are encouraged and blessed. And remember, we have a playlist of all the Psalms, Morning Cup of Courage. You guys can click on that if the Father leads you. Until then, I hope to see you soon on our next edition of Morning Cup of Courage. You guys be blessed. Shalom.